So you have your project information sheet, you have your expense record sheet, and you do have your vendor information sheet. So the question here is we have to match vendor ID with the vendor name in your expense records using Vlookup. So you have your vendor ID here. Next to vendor ID, just put vendor name and then use your Vlookup formula equals Vlookup, and then look for the lookup value is we are going to match with the vendor ID. So select vendor ID, comma, table array. We are going to use your vendor information table from A to E, and then make an enter. It's for two arguments, so you just have to delete 1 and 21 because you're going to use the whole A to E series, comma, looking at the column index, go back to vendor information, which column is your vendor name, then column number 2. So you go back to your record and then delete record number 2 and comma, look up the range is false. You have to have the exact match. If you're looking for approximate match, then you can put true, but we want the exact match of the vendor name, so we'll put false. Close parenthesis, give an enter. That it is. So you have vendor ID B003 represents supplier A to C. Just double check vendor 003 is supplier 3, so which is good. So what we have to do is drag and drop the whole thing, so eventually you get all this vendor ID matched with your vendor name. That's how you use your VLOOKUP. Maybe similarly we can do for another one. So we have vendor information as, say, for example, either type or location. We might choose location. Let's put location here, enter, just put double spacing here, and then we use the same VLOOKUP formula. Open parenthesis, what we are looking is the same ID, comma, window information, the whole A to E, go back, enter too many arguments, yes we do, just take this one out, A to E, and comma, now you're looking for location, which is in your 4. So go back, delete your expense record, you're looking for the 4, comma, false again, we want the exact match, and then close parenthesis, you get your location. So this is how, and drag and drop for the whole thing, you get location for specific ID. This is how you do VLOOKUP. Thank you guys, and hopefully we'll see you in the class.